Bonjour! Join me in my daily juggle between my Calvinist Dutch upbringing and my nowadays lifestyle in France, enjoying my French home and garden, keeping up with my Dutch roots, hopping from travel to home, from work to pastimes, and from family to friends. I am Joanna, and I'm a foreigner in France. Bonjour! It's Saturday today and I have a date. I have a date with Jamie. This is the one. I met Jamie when I still lived in Holland, in the Netherlands. So I'm sorry, Jamie, to tell you, but that was almost 30 years ago. I don't really have a date. I am just going to make one of his recipes. First of all, let me tell you a bit about my kitchen. I do not like my kitchen. My house is about 100 years old. I redid some rooms. I have a new bedroom. The bedrooms upstairs are all newly done, but the kitchen and the bathroom still needs to be done. It's on my list of things to do. Let me show you around. This is going to be a horror story. The fridge, it's an old one. It always has a bit of ice at the back, so I think at an ecological level. About a year ago, the bottom of this dishwasher fell out. It was horrendous. There was water everywhere on this floor and also at the lower floor where my bedroom is. I haven't bought a new one because I want to save up for when I have my whole new wonderful kitchen. Not sure when that was going to happen. My beautiful kitchen is 3 meters long and 2 meters wide. This is my stove. This is the fridge. I can touch the sink and I can touch the back wall and I can do culinary miracles here. Now this here is my pantry. Sometimes I'm alone and sometimes we are 5 at home. So I need almost everything in store for in case everyone shows up. Quite an ingenious system, isn't it? One of my next projects will be to knock this wall out, and I will get into another bedroom there and I will have my kitchen. Mind this nuance. I will have my new kitchen. Back to my date with Jamie. My brother gave me this book a little while ago. I've never made something out of it. I'm going to do it today. Vegetarian chili. As you know by now, there is not a lot of room here in this kitchen, so I will have to do a little bit of reorganization before I can start. I'm going to make a few adaptations to the recipe because couldn't find it, too lazy to go elsewhere to find it, didn't like it, don't have enough of it. All very good reasons to change a recipe. Jamie says we will be needing cumin, paprika, bell peppers, onions, potatoes, tomatoes, white beans, a little bit of cacao powder, olive oil, and no doubt salt and pepper. My man Jamie says to first bake the vegetables a little bit in olive oil. before. Vegetables go in there together with the cumin powder, the paprika powder, the peanut butter, and the... forgot the last thing. No idea. Jamie, what are you thinking? Now it needs white beans. I only have a can of white beans in tomato sauce. I guess it has to do. Chili for a whole regiment. The recipe asks for sweet potatoes. In France, a sweet potato is not very often found in your usual supermarket. So I'm going to use ordinary potatoes. Les patates. I tasted the sauce and actually I think it's not spicy enough. My daughter went to Louisiana on a school exchange and she brought home this. Creole seasoning with an extra kick. For all of you who make these food videos all the time, I have to say bravo, well done, chapeau. It's not very easy. I have no idea where all my stuff is. I have no idea what to film. It's just a mix up of good things and bad things and invented things and